talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. So when you click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, so you just go down here, keep going down. So then you just click here on privacy ensuring, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here, click here on sharing here. So then it's going to take you to next step here, just switch into open video. So it's going to take a time here to open video here. Then you click here on sharing. Then you go down. So then you come here to show my length of stay. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean it's enabled video now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.